Hi, I'm Bindu and I welcome you to my channel Bindu's Terrace Kitchen. In today's recipe, I'm showing you how to make garlic bread without using oven. If you like this recipe, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for such more wonderful recipes. Don't forget to leave your comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Now let's get started. In a bowl, add 1/4 cup warm water, 1 teaspoon sugar. Mix well until the sugar is dissolved. Once the sugar is dissolved, add half teaspoon of dry yeast. Mix well. Cover and rest this for 10 to 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, the yeast has frothed up. This is ready. Keep this aside. In a bowl, take 1 cup wheat flour, half teaspoon garlic paste, half teaspoon red chili flakes, some salt to taste, half teaspoon oregano. Mix well. Now pour the yeast mixture. Give it a good mix, then gradually add water as required to prepare a sticky dough. Now knead this dough for good 10 to 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, the dough has started to come together. Add half teaspoon oil and again knead this for a minute or two. After kneading the dough, tuck it, put it back in the bowl, cover and rest this for 1 hour or until it doubles in size. After 1 hour, the dough has doubled in size. Slightly grease your palms with some oil and again knead this for a minute. This quantity of dough can make 2 medium-sized garlic breads. Sprinkle some wheat flour on your countertop. Now place a portion of the dough press it with your hands. Then use your rolling pin and start rolling it. The thickness of the dough should be 1/2 inch. Now we'll prepare our garlic butter. For that, in a bowl, take 1 teaspoon of garlic paste, 2 tablespoons of softened butter. Mix well and add 2 tablespoons of finely chopped coriander leaves. Give it a good mix and our garlic butter is ready. Spread the garlic butter on the rolled dough. Leave 1/4 inch gap on the edges. Now add some grated mozzarella cheese to the half portion. Sprinkle some red chili flakes and oregano. If you want, then you can also use some boiled corn and finely chopped capsicum. Then add some water on the edges of the dough. Fold it and seal it properly. Now using a knife, make some cuts on the garlic bud. The cuts shouldn't be all through it, just above it. Take one plate and sprinkle some wheat flour on it, then place the butter paper and again sprinkle some wheat flour. Now place the garlic bread, melt the remaining garlic butter and apply it on the garlic bread. Now again sprinkle some red chili flakes and oregano. Now this is ready to be baked. Keep this aside. Take one pressure cooker and add a layer of salt in it. Spread it evenly. Then place a stand, cover it and preheat this for 15 minutes at medium flame. After 15 minutes, remove the lid. Place the plate for baking. Cover and bake this for 15 minutes on medium flame. After 15 minutes, remove the lid and the garlic bread is baked completely. Remove it from the pressure cooker and cut them into strips. Give this recipe a try and enjoy.